Hey y'all. So I'm on my way to a wedding today, and I ordered the bride and groom a nice, wonderful wedding gift off Amazon.com. The problem that I have is that they changed the delivery date, so the gift won't get here until Tuesday. The wedding is today, so I have about 1 hour to go out and get them another gift. And so I will make that into a DIY project. I'm going to show you guys how to, on a budget, get a nice wedding gift and put it together, a nice little bag or whatever. So we're going to get started. I'm going to get moving because, like I said, the wedding starts at 1. It is 11 o'clock now, and I have to drive an hour to get to the wedding. So I have exactly about an hour to find the perfect budget-friendly gift. Alright, y'all. So there is a plaza here, and it has a Dollar Tree, shoe department, a Cato's. I'm going to hit Cato's up first. And I'm going to make my way to Dollar Tree because I know they have the nice little gift bags and all of that stuff. So let's see what they got in Cato's, y'all. So I am in my last stop. I'm in the Dollar Tree. I'm finding a nice gift bag to put all this stuff in there. I see one that I like. It says love. It's really cute. There are also ones that say happy wedding, wishing you a lifetime of happiness. That is a pretty one too. This one, happy wedding day. I think that's pretty too. So I think I like this one a little bit better than the love. I'm going to have about this one, put this one back, and some tissue paper. Hopefully they got some tissue paper up in here. And let me see. Yeah, it's right here. Some tissue paper. Y'all know tissue paper make everything look all pretty and stuff. Just grab one real quick. And would love to throw a card in there. Let's see if they have some cards. This is Dollar Tree, y'all. I think they have cards. I ain't sure. This is like a super Dollar Tree. It's got so much stuff. Hello. I don't know. I don't see no cards. And I am on short time, y'all. I ain't got that much time. Oh, here go the cards right here. Some told me they were gonna be over here. Okay, birthday, anniversary, wedding. Congratulations on your wedding day. Yay. Wishing you happiness every day of your life. Perfect. Oh, wait. I like this one. Mr. and Mrs. Yeah, that's pretty. I'm going to get that one. And a nice little envelope here. Yep. Perfect. And I always like to give couples candles. I don't know why. But I just don't have the time to look for one right now. Maybe some kind of candy they could eat together. Or, ooh, this is cute. A little bubble bath fizz thingy. I think that's cute. That would look nice in a little baggie for them. Yeah. Okay. Something that they both could do together, maybe on their honeymoon or something, you know? And that's it, y'all. I don't have that much time. If I had more time, I could really walk this store, and I'd be spending probably $200 in Dollar Tree again. All right. At the shoe store, and now I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree, grab a little bag and some tissue paper, and maybe a couple little things out of Dollar Tree, and I am done, y'all. $21.88. $21.88. That works.
From here, ain't you? From here? Yeah. Remember those all kids when they Walmart said, oh, we don't carry nothing with U.S. American made. Right now you walk in everything you pick up China.
Yeah.
Isn't that
cute? Cute little stuff. I do a little YouTube vlog. Some little jewelry, y'all, that was on clearance. I got these little shades. They're like $5.99, and then a little bracelet, y'all. And some earrings. And then I found myself some earrings. Yeah. So that's gonna go in the bag. All right, you guys. So here I am. I have spent about, I think about $70 today on getting gifts for the happy couple. I got gift bag and a few accessories out of Dollar Tree. And it was $4.65. I got a watch for the groom, and it was $21.88 with tax. And then I got some jewelry for the bride. I don't even think, oh yeah, I have the receipt here. And that totaled up to be $25, but $2 of it was for a pair of earrings for myself. So now I'm gonna put all this together in a little gift baggie and show you guys what it looks like. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get the tissue paper out, and I'm gonna put some tissue paper in the bottom of the bag, and then I'll start just kind of arranging the items inside the bag. I'll put a little bit of tissue paper on the top. I gotta sign the card, and then I'm good. And it is now 11:52, so I have done really well as long as I can get out of here at 12 o'clock. All right, y'all, and there it is, all nice and ready, and I am on my way to the wedding.